안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce how to make 떡만둣국, a delicious soup made with chewy rice cakes and savory dumplings. It's a perfect meal that can be enjoyed anytime. So shall we make it together? Today I will be using 떡국떡 that you can purchase at a Korean market. Soak the 떡국떡 in cold water for about 20 minutes. This will make the rice cake soft and reduce the cooking time. For today's recipe, we will be using store-bought mandu, but you can also use the homemade ones. If you want to know how to make a homemade mandu, please click the above video. Korean markets offer a wide variety of mandu. I bought water mandu, which is a bite-sized and perfect for 떡만둣국. I will be using about 10 pieces. Slice one scallion into thin pieces. Mince 2 cloves of garlic, which is an essential ingredient in most Korean dishes. Cut the beef into small pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a pot. Add about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Once the garlic aroma comes up, add the sliced beef. And add 1 tablespoon of 국간장, soup soy sauce. Stir fry everything together. The soup soy sauce will enhance the flavor of the beef. Once the beef is cooked, add 3 cups of water to the pot. Cover the pot and bring the water to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked 떡국떡 and mandu to the pot. Let everything simmer for a while. If foam appears on the surface, skim it off. When the 떡국떡 and mandu starts to float, crack 2 eggs and pour the beaten eggs into the pot. Then add the sliced scallions. Let the eggs cook without stirring them. At this stage, adjust the taste. If it's too bland, add 1 pinch of salt and a little bit of ground pepper. If you have a kim, cut it into thin pieces and add it on top. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Lastly, sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds on top. Very delicious 떡만둣국 is done. I hope you can give it a try. If the video was useful, please hit the like and subscription button. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.